Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to explain nested functions. It's a function inside of another function. Think of the topic on nested loops. It's a loop inside of another loop. Outer functions have access to inner functions. Inner functions are hidden from outside the outer function. They add data security and they're used in closures, which is a future video topic. So let's begin. We'll use traditional functions and then create some nested functions. I have two variables. Let username equal some username, and a variable to hold the amount of messages that I have, like an inbox. Let userInbox equal 0 or some other number. I'm going to create a message to log in, like we're logging into our email. Function login. I'll create a function to display our username. Function display username. And another function to display our inbox. UserInbox. When I display my username, let's use console.log. I'll use a template literal. Welcome. I'll add a placeholder. Username. With the displayUserInbox function, we will display how many messages we have. You have, add a placeholder, userInbox new messages. After logging in, I would like to invoke these two functions, displayUserName and displayUserInbox. And we need to invoke the login function as if we were logging in. Welcome, bro, you have 0 new messages. Now, a problem with this, we have access to the displayUserName function as well as the displayUserInbox function from outside of the login function, meaning that we don't need to log in order to display our username and our inbox. So I can invoke these functions directly, display username, display user inbox, and there's no need to even log in. Welcome, bro, you have 0 new messages. To add a little bit of data security, I could place these functions within another function. So in order to access the display username function, I need to first log in. And the same thing goes with the display user inbox function. If I attempt to invoke these functions when they're nested, I don't have access to them. It adds some security. In order to invoke these functions, I first need to log in. So we'll invoke the login function, and then we have access to the display username function and the display user inbox function. So yeah, those are nested functions. They're functions inside of other functions. The outer function has access to inner functions. Inner functions are hidden from outside the outer function. It adds some data security, and they're also used in closures, which is a future video topic. So yeah, those are nested functions. If you would like a copy of this code, I'll post this in the comment section down below. And well, yeah, those are nested functions in JavaScript.